Terra Luna Classic got hit very hard in price over the last 24 hours alongside the entire cryptocurrency market because of the SEC. If you guys haven't seen by now, you can watch the video from last night for a little bit more detail, but the SEC coming out and basically banning staking in the United States on centralized platforms. They came out and they fined Kraken $30 million, and Kraken had to shut down its staking services, and Coinbase could be next. Because of this, people are fleeing some of these centralized exchanges and moving over to the decentralized exchanges, which could actually be good for cryptocurrency projects like Terra Luna Classic. So we're going to be focusing on that a little bit in this video, but I also want to talk about some of the levels of support and resistance. Because as we come down, we are at a very significant level of support right now, and if it breaks, we've only got a couple lines left on the chart before we're sitting back down and we add another zero. So let's talk about the good, let's talk about the bad, and let's talk about Terra Luna Classic. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you get a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. Now, if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding your crypto on those exchanges, it is considered a loan to those exchanges. If you want it to be your crypto, you need to hold it on a cold storage or DeFi wallet. And I do not know what the result of their staking is going to be. We know that the SEC is only in charge of United States companies, so we're going to have to see how that plays out for Binance and KuCoin there. But Binance US, I don't even know if anybody uses Binance US. So regardless, guys, Coinbase could be next in this SEC saga. Now, I want to talk about Terra Luna Classic, because yesterday this news really catching fire, and a lot of sell-offs taking place in the entire cryptocurrency space. Terra Luna Classic was one of them, dropping to roughly 16,000 points per coin. This is a major level of support, and if broken, obviously could lead to lower levels that we'll talk about in a second here. But one of the benefits that we are seeing, or one of the upsides, if you're trying to look at the good in everything, it's that staking is increasing on the Terra Luna Classic network. Now, I don't know if these extra coins are coming directly from Kraken, if they're coming from Coinbase, if they're coming from KuCoin. I don't know where all these new coins are coming from, but we've increased to about 900 and roughly 50. I think it's 940 some, 950 roughly billion Terra Luna Classic staked. Very, very close to reaching that 1 trillion Terra Luna Classic mark on the staking fees on network, which is great. It's great to see that. And although it's a result of something so stupid by the SEC, I try to look at the positive and everything. And that is a definite positive, is that staking on-chain is increasing right now, even though the reasons may not be what we hoped they were. It is increasing. Now, that's the benefit. The negative is people are kind of getting even more leery of the cryptocurrency space. And we saw some major sell-offs over the last couple of, it's hours, really, 24 hours or so. And I believe over $200 million in liquidations have taken place on long positions, $20 million in liquidations taken place on short positions, and this is overall, right? Binance seeing some very heavy liquidations themselves with over $100 million in liquidated cryptocurrency positions, meaning going back into cash, and right now, that is not good. It indicates that further uncertainty is ahead for the cryptocurrency market. If the SEC can come in and find Kraken doesn't even put up a fight. Kraken decides to shut down their staking program, to pay $30 million. I mean, think about it. Ripple has been going on with this fight for the last several years. If Coinbase is next, the cryptocurrency industry is going to contract. It's going to contract very largely. especially if the SEC just comes in out of nowhere and gains complete control over the cryptocurrency industry. If they think that they can own and regulate this entire space just because they want to own and regulate this entire space without a fight being put up from centralized exchanges, it's going to lead to one thing. It's going to lead to mass decentralized adoption or an outflow of cryptocurrency from the United States to other countries. And I talked about it in the video last night. We're going to look at the positives in this one, but, money flowing out of the United States into other countries is not going to be good for the United States. It doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be good or bad for you. It simply means that it's not going to be good for the United States in progress when it comes to blockchain and cryptocurrency innovation. But if we start to move over on-chain, if centralized exchanges kind of dwindle down and maybe there's only a handful of them where you can go out and cash your cryptocurrency out, because if you think about it, cryptocurrency when first started had no value. You could have 1, 2, 3, 20 Bitcoin and they were worth nothing. You couldn't cash them out unless you could find a buyer. And trust me when I tell you, buyers were very hard to come by, as evidenced by that one guy who spent, 10,000 Bitcoin to buy 2 pizzas from Papa John's. Nearly impossible to find buyers at that time. So centralized exchanges have provided an opportunity to be able to cash out your Bitcoin and cash out your cryptocurrency in an excellent way. But the direction we seem to be going right now is back to the roots of crypto and this idea of a decentralized network and DeFi wallets and crypto is crypto and fiat is fiat type of a deal. Now, Terra Luna Classic, guys, dropping to where it is right now, it's 16,000 points per coin, is a very low level compared to where we've been in the past. But we're just basically last month, before the rally began, we were down here at these levels, and below 16,000, we're looking at 12,000 points per coin. If 12,000 points per coin being the next major level of support is broken, I absolutely believe it's possible to add another zero. Everybody wants to burn a zero, delete a zero. If we break 12,000 on the way down, we basically have that 10,000 to 9,000 point per coin range, and obviously if we break that, we're adding another zero. So we're inching closer every day, especially on the back of this wild information from the SEC that we could be dropping even further and potentially adding a zero. So the question is, if you believe in the progress that Terra Luna Classic is making, if you believe in the progress that cryptocurrency is making, you cannot let the SEC coming in with something like this deter you from believing in the future of crypto. One way or another, it will be successful. Whether the US embraces it, I do not know. But what I do know is I believe in the blockchain, and I believe in cryptocurrency, and I believe in Terra Luna Classic. I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, let me know your thoughts. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. You got free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.